Welcome to SAM Networking Labs. Today we are going to work through our first Hack the Box machine from the starting point track. This machine is called Meow, and it is designed for absolute beginners. If you are new to penetration testing, this is the perfect place to start. Our goal is simple. We need to capture the flag, which is also known as the root flag. We will be using basic enumeration tools like map to find vulnerabilities and exploit them to gain access. Let us begin with getting started. First, we need our attack machine. Hack the Box provides Punbox, which is a pre-configured Parrot Linux instance with all the hacking tools we need. I am going to click Start Punbox to get my environment ready. Next, we need our target. On the Meow machine page, I will click Spawn Machine. This creates a new instance just for me. The platform gives me an IP address, and that is our target. In this case, the IP address is 10.129.146.206. Punbox is a cloud-based Parrot Linux machine that connects automatically to the Hack the Box lab network. No VPN setup is required. Now we move to connectivity testing using the ping command. The first step is to verify that we can reach the target. I will open the terminal and use the ping command. The command is ping --c --4 and then the target IP address. I am using -c4 to send just 4 packets. This is perfect for testing connectivity. Ping uses ICMP echo requests to check if a host is alive and responsive on the network. If we get replies, we know the target is reachable. We got 4 replies, which means the target is online and we can reach it. Next we need to discover what services are running on this machine. The most common tool for this is nmap, which stands for Network Mapper. The command is nmap --sv and then the target IP address. The -sv flag tells nmap to check the version of the services it finds. This is crucial because different versions have different vulnerabilities. The map results show that port 23 is open and running Telnet. Telnet is an old remote access protocol. It is known for being insecure because it transmits everything in plain text, including passwords. This is a classic network service vulnerability. If the machine has default or weak credentials, we might be able to get in. Now we connect via Telnet. Since Telnet is open, let us try connecting to it directly. Telnet is built into most Linux systems. The command is telnet space and then the target IP address. Telnet is a protocol that provides a command line interface for remote connections. It is like SSH's insecure older cousin. We are prompted for a username and password. This is where the misconfiguration comes in. Many systems are left with default credentials, and the most common default is root with a blank password. I will type root and just press enter for the password. And we are in. Gaining root access means we have complete control of the system. This is the highest privilege level on any Linux machine. Now we capture the flag. We are logged in as the root user. Let us list the files in the current directory using the ls command. We see flag.txt and snap. The flag.txt file is what we are after. Let us read it using the cat command. The command is cat flag.txt. The flag is displayed as a hexadecimal string. This is our proof of compromise. Hack the Box uses unique flags for each machine instance. You submit this in the platform to prove you have successfully compromised the machine. Now we submit the flag. We go back to the Hack the Box platform, paste the flag in the answer box, and click Submit. And we have completed Meow. Let me provide a machine statistics and rating for your reference. Common vulnerabilities score a 9 out of 10 because weak credentials are a fundamental security issue. Misconfiguration also scores a 9 out of 10. Network service exploitation scores a 7 out of 10. Privilege escalation scores a 1 out of 10 because we got root access immediately. This is a great beginner machine. For the machine matrix, Meow scores highly on common vulnerabilities and misconfiguration because the root cause is weak credentials. Privilege escalation scores very low because we got root access immediately. This is a great beginner machine. Let us summarize what we learned today. We used ping to test connectivity. We used map with the -sv flag to discover services and versions. We identified Telnet as an insecure remote access protocol. We used default credentials, specifically root with a blank password, to gain access. And we captured the flag as proof of successful compromise. This is exactly the workflow you will use on more advanced machines, just with more complex vulnerabilities. The fundamentals of enumeration, discovery, exploitation, and flag capture remain the same. Next up is Fawn, which uses FTP with anonymous login. The process is similar, but we will use FTP instead of Telnet. Thank you for joining me today at SAM Networking Labs. Good luck with your studies.